So today, I'm going to show you guys how I found out you can get a black box without ever seeing another trampler in Sand Raiders of Sophie. Now this video is the discovery process of it, but if you just want the answer, go to this timestamp, it's also in the caption. Now the first thing I'm going to do is make a trampler. You see, when you blow up an enemy trampler, a black box spawns right in this little slot underneath their reactor. Now that's how normal people get black boxes, but we're going to devise a different strategy. And to do that, we got to make a crappy trampler. As you can see, this is the cheapest possible trampler I could think of, costing around 135 scrap, and we're going to take this into run. Now my first plan was red barrels. You see, the plan was to use red barrels to blow up my own ship, and hopefully a black box would spawn. Let's blow up these bitches. There's no way that's only 1,000. Only 1,000 each on the reactor? Maybe harder than I thought. Now, for phase 2, we're going to try to die to an ironclad. The thought is the ironclad would come over and kill me near extract, and then take the black box and run to extract with it. Easy and simple. Ironclad beacons. Ironclad beacon where? Anywhere. 2 over there. Oh, someone right there. Perfect. This is perfect. This is perfect. This is perfect. Okay, okay, okay. Gotta park this in range of it and then activate extraction. Alright. But why are you spawning over there? Come on, Ironclad. You know you want to. Get my beautiful engine. Oh, it's a shotgun. Now, of all the Ironclads, it's arguably the worst one that could have spawned. Did we hear this up? Maybe? Are you gonna shoot at me or what? Okay, you know, we're gonna find another Ironclad. Ridiculous. You are a disgrace to your kind. Well, lucky for me, there's 2 more Ironclad beacons down there. Yeah, she'll be a little bit of run for me, but better than waiting for that bitch to do anything. What kind? Is that an autocannon? Oh my god, it's an autocannon. Hell yeah. Come on. Come on. Yes. Yes, right in front of me. Good. Okay, that's a can. All right, good. Keep this up. You guys are doing great. I'm gonna hide in here. Okay, this is taking a bit longer than I think. Yes. And would you look at that, guys? Black box acquired. Okay, so there is a problem then. See, that was what I was worried about. Now, although I do think it would work with the Ironclads, there's obviously some downsides, so I'm going to try and find another way. So this way, I'm going to try to ram my engine into walls and try to get to blow up. It seems rather impractical, but if it works, it works. Okay, this hangs off just enough. Now, I'm not sure how much damage these things do, though. I feel like ramming them to do like 300, which is going to take forever. I wonder if these crystals do, like, if I ram into them, will you think they'll explode? What? Tramplers ignore their existence? What? You just go right through them. That is insane. I did not know that. Bring it on. Zero damage to the engine, by the way. Oh my god, bro. Is those going up? Are we serious? Well, that was a dud. So clearly it doesn't work too well. So let's backtrack to our initial idea with the red barrels. The red barrels do 1,000 damage, so I only need 7. And I kind of got the wrong idea with going to a city for red barrels, because there's these boats that are on their side that have 5 red barrels each. It means I only need to either find 1 or 1 in a city to easily get enough red barrels to do the job. I believe they're coming straight for me. That'd be preposterous. If this one boat's enough, this could be a strategy. You find one of these boats, stop by, grab all the barrels you need, and you can go to extract. If this has 7 barrels, that's all I need. It was looking like 5 red barrels. We're 2 short. Oof. Maybe we find another explosive boat. Wait, red barrel ship right here. Yeah, that's 6 red barrels. Fuck it. Yeah. 6,000 react damage. Okay. One more red barrel and it's gone. And there we go. A beautiful black box for our picking. And now all we have to do is not die for the next minute and 40 seconds. And we have a black box scot-free. And that, my friends, is how you acquire a black box for practically free in Sand Raiders of Sophie. And that's the strategy. Collect red barrels from these fallen over ships, put them on your reactor near extract, and blow yourself up. I personally think that is the easiest way to get a black box in Sand Raiders of Sophie. I don't know if this is a bug, spawning a black box in your own trampler, but for now, it's a feature. So, there you go, pacifists. This is a way for you guys to get black boxes without doing any combat. If you like this style of tutorial, let me know. I'm going to be kind of doing some experimentation on how to do tutorials in the future, because there's a lot of other ones I want to do. But regardless, I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.